How to fix the generic PnP monitor issue on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix the generic PnP monitor issue on Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to update drivers via Device Manager. For that, you need to go to the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and type for Device Manager. Click on the Open button and open it. Now you can easily expand it and you can update the monitor drivers. Simply here you have to search for monitor and you have to double click to expand it, and here you have to right click on this available monitor, that is integrated monitor, and select update driver. Now you have to choose search automatically for drivers, and if prompted you need to check Windows Update for available updates. You can click on this bar given here, and if there is any, you need to download and install if any updates is available. So simply wait for a few seconds. The step 2 you can follow is simply manually you can download the monitor driver as well. Once you have downloaded and installed the monitor driver manually, you need to simply restart your computer. And once you do that, your issue should be resolved. So by following this all the steps, you can easily resolve the issue. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.